Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's safe. So that wedge that's bigger than my foot came out of that tree right there. This wedge right here. This 3/4 of the tree was a wedge. Cut it here to go that way. No tree there. Guess where the tree is? Over there.
It looks like it's going that way.
But look at that. Look at that nice wedge cut out. See what you do, Kyle? You cut the wedge here, then you back cut it here, and it's supposed to fall that way. We cut the wedge here, back cut it there, and it fell that way. Because it said, you know what? I'm going where I want to. Look at it, snapped the top off of that tree. That's how big it was.
Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna go climbing. I do this every day. It's like a fall over. Oh, Dad, check how good this wood is.
Wow, that snapped off. I don't know where that snapped off from. Look at the splinters sticking out of that.
It stinks if you got that in your arm, Dad.
Yeah. That's one big tree. That's a size 12, just to give you an idea of how big that tree is. What's the beeping? What?